getting ready for kindergarten. Today we're practicing letters and sounds. You'll need the upper and lower case letters, the lace, the activity book, and the picture cards from your kindergarten readiness kit. Now we're going to turn to page 5 in our activity book. Roman, can you please pick a letter from our pile of letters? What letter did you pick?
F.
F. Can you please match F to the letters on your board? Excellent. Can you pick the lowercase letter that matches? Great job. What sound does F make? Great. Can you please lace the F's on this string? Got it? Good job. Now, capital F. Now we're going to look at our picture cards. We have a ring, 4, and bear. Which one of our picture cards makes the sound at the beginning?
4.
4. Great job. Can you take the number 4 and put it down here? Excellent. Check out pages 10 to 13 in your parent guide for more activities to practice letters and sounds. You can also practice when you're out and about with your child. When you're at the grocery store, point to something and say, "I see an apple." What sound do you hear at the very beginning? When your child says, "ah," they're building the skills that they'll need to start reading. Happy learning! You can register for kindergarten at the upcoming school year and receive your free kindergarten readiness kit by visiting palmbeachschools.org/kindergarten.